Food security in India. Food security exists when all the people at all times have physical, social, and economic access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food which meets their dietary needs and food preferences for an active and healthy life. It has three major dimensions: availability of food, accessibility, and affordability. If any unforeseen situation occurs, if any disaster occurs, in that case you can go for food insecurity. And even we have 5 major reasons where we can find food insecurity in the form of earthquake, drought, tsunami, flood, and famine. Meaning of food security. Food security means every person in an given area has daily access to enough nutritious food to have an active and healthy life. And those are not taking proper food, those are comes under malnutritious, they comes under food insecurity. Next, the food security was once again defined by the World Food Summit in 1996. According to them, they says that when all people at all times have access to sufficient, safe, nutritious food to maintain a healthy and active life. So commonly we can say that the food security is nothing but which are more accessible to the person who are more. So in general sense you can put it in this way: food security means availability of food, accessibility, and affordability. Need for food security. To provide enough food to the poorer sections of the society, even though if they occurs with any natural calamities, there has to be provided food security. We have different dimensions in food security: food availability, food access, food utilization, and nutritious or nutritional outcomes. Government is taking certain initiative schemes to provide food security in the form of PDS, RPS, TPDS, and special programs like AAY, APS. This can be seen in the slide, that is government schemes. Here you can find how far the government is providing better initiatives to provide food security. Not only this, even FAO, international organizations, also coming forward to avoid food insecurity and to provide food security. Some of them are FAO, that is National Food and Agriculture Organization. Next, WFP, World Food Program. Next, IFAD, International Fund for Agricultural Development. Policies and programs also taken for food securities like National Food for Work Program, Antodaya Anna Yojana, Village Grain Banks Scheme, Essential Commodities Act 1955, Public Distribution System PDS, Midday Meals schemes, and others. Certain suggestions has to be initiated by the government to provide food security by ensuring comprehensive policies, expanding agricultural foodstuffs, concentrating more on food crops. If these suggestions and recommendations are suggested by so many economists, if these recommendation suggestions are followed by the government, then obviously we can avoid this food insecurity and our economy can become a food secured economy, food self-sufficient, self-sustained country. Thank you.